listen to her carefully so that you will also be able to speak the same in the same way. Okay? Yeah, Ritika, start.
So the questionnaire or the survey that I answered last time was a survey that was conducted by the psychology department of my college. This was taken just in the month of April. This was in the before our end semester exams began for the academic year 2020 and 2021. The main goal of the survey was to analyze the effect that the COVID has taken on their mental health and how they are coping up with their studies and the deadlines that are set by the assignments. Since we have 6 subjects, and especially being a science students, we have assignments and practicals in all 6 subjects. So it kind of is very difficult, and this kind of survey made us realize that there are people who actually care about our mental health and are even interested in knowing how the COVID has affected us, and not just on our academic performances. This actually made, like, we were having a discussion after our examination, that it made us felt heard, that it made us feel that our presence in the college matter, and that the stability of a mental health is very important, and that's why these topics were being discussed and were analyzed, so that to help students who are suffering, and to help us like we have a student support cell. So every student who had drastic reviews in this survey were actually contacted personally by the student support group, and the teachers also called them personally and asking them, if you need extra help while preparing for your end semester examination. So it made us feel important, and that our presence actually matters in the college.
Okay, that's fine, Ritika. Already you have spoken and you have given your point of views and you have covered all bullet points. Now, I would like to ask Ainaj. Ainaj,
Yes.
yeah, your time starts now.
Yeah, so basically, being a MCOM student, I had to make various research projects, and same goes from the other classmates of mine. So when we were pursuing MCOM, we had a lot of questionnaire-based researches to be performed. So one of my friend had prepared research work on the gray market, which was relating to the online shopping. So the questionnaire was quite related to why do people purchase online? What is actually the gray market? Do we even know what is the meaning of gray market? And if yes, then how does the gray market have an effect on the online shopping? So when the research methodology selected by most of the students was questionnaire or survey method. So that is why the questions asked was on this basis, and there I had to put there I personally felt that yes, gray market did had an effect on the online shopping, because we do not know that where the goods are coming actually on the online platform. So it really made me feel very good that I got an opportunity to express how I felt, and the research was very realistic and optimistic, wherein the ideas of various other surveys could be really put into check, and you could give very good suggestions also.
That's fantastic. You flow of speech. You are good in fluency and coherence. You have also misused some of the words, lexical resources. I think you are improving a lot. The very first day when you joined, and you have your good speaking skills. Now you're coming to the topic. That is a good sign. Okay, I would like to ask the next, same the Christo. Christo, it's your turn.
Yes, sir. So, 2 years back, we there was a survey conducted by our youth from our church. The survey was on environmental pollution, and it was carried on our locality, which is in Panvel. So we went to each and everyone's opinion. We take each and everyone's opinions on this survey, and everyone has particular perspective on their vision. So and we were around 20 members in the group, and my opinion was, and they asked me about my opinion. I was like, we should avoid using cars for short distance, and we can maybe go to, we can maybe choose carpools, and and by giving feedback, it gave me an opportunity to give ideas to the group and how to tackle the situations. So that was my point.
Okay, you have completed 1 minute. And
Okay, so
something, okay, like it, I can maybe some of the words that means you have been fumbling,
yes, yes.
and some the grammatical, some structures.
Hmm.
Sometimes you have to also improve in that. No problem. It's just a beginning of the road.
Yeah, okay, so
Okay. Shifa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Your time starts now. You speak on this topic.
Well, I am a student of physiotherapy. Before 6 months ago, I do an internship on COVID ward, and I have experience about COVID, how to care uh, during COVID. So, whether I completed 6 months after that, I received a COVID certificate. So I uploaded on WhatsApp. So at the time, my sir is calling me, which I was at that time. The principal sir is calling me, and he say comes and share with us some opinion or experience about uh, that. So at the time, I'm so glad to go for share some science students to share about my opinion and how to deal with COVID-19. So I went there, I reached there, and I share my all opinion, which I experience, uh, whether uh, I do that or how to deal with that. So.
Done. By the way, that's fantastic. Though it has a lot of errors, but what I see your improvement. The previous session you were not able to speak, Shifa. You can see yourself.
Yes, sir.
You fumbled a lot in the previous session when I asked you, when I gave this question, and
Yes, sir.
even you didn't complete even a 1 minute.
Hmm.
Your grammatical portions were quite not good at all.
Good. Yes,
But
sir.
this time you can see yourself. A lot of changes you can find in yourself,
Yes, sir.
and you also improved a lot with your fluency. Earlier, you spoke like you're struggling to speak, but this time, what I can say, it's improving. Not it's improved. You have to also work very hard, but it's improving. That's fantastic, Shifa. Means it's
Thank you, sir.
satisfactory for me, for you also. Thank you very much. Now, Abhishek, your term, and after that, Paras. And after this, I will start writing task one. Abhishek, your term start now. Your time.
Okay. I would like to talk about my time when I were asked to give my opinion in a survey regarding buying of air conditioner. Before 1 month, I have bought a Samsung air conditioner, which is a 5-star air conditioner, at, from RA Electronics. And once I bought, then one of my neighbor who has asked me some questions about the feedback of those product and those services of retail outlook also. So I have uh, I have given them several feedback about these products as well as services of dealer. So once I bought it, I found it product is very well working, and it was with carbon working as 5 star. So I found it that product was as my requirement. and I that's why I got more satisfaction, and on basis of it, I given my feedback to the my neighbor to purchase the same product for them. So on basis of it, my neighbor also would like to buy after a week, and they have bought it later on, and they also hope that whatever I have given my survey about it, those stars would be completed as per their need. It's my questionnaires surveys. So uh, uh, this is my survey about those products.
Okay,
And
Abhishek. It is good, better than before,
moreover,
but not.
in addition, after once I choose my product, I I also receive good services as well as good survey feedback from those retail outlook about their services. Uh, so how was the delivery was made on time or such, or whatever other things are there was
Okay.
made. So there was
You
point.
are exceeding the timing. It's okay, Abhishek. From the next time you try to come, speak cut and speak what. Yeah.
Hello,
Okay, no problem. I would like to ask Mr. Parash.
am I
Parash,
audible?
yeah, you are audible. You start.
Okay. So in our area, there was a short survey has been conducted, but it has taken a major place in our area. The survey was about the providing the oxygen cylinders for the patients who are surviving for the COVID during the COVID, because as we know that the at the pandemic time of the second wave, we see a many death, and at that time we have noticed that in our area there, because of the lack of oxygen, many people have been died, many family have loses their family member. So at that time we tried to conducted a meeting in a Zoom call where we have a questionnaires and a short survey that how can we decrease the death of people who are staying in area and maximize and minimizing the COVID positive reports. So at that time we have just taken a survey that how much we can contribute towards the survey, and how we will utilize the time, how we will contribute the gas cylinders, how we will provide the patient. So we have also taken the compound of the society, and we have give the patients area of the patients to take a to take them for a treatment. We have settled them, and after some time, we see that because of the contribution of the people, the COVID positive reports has been decreased in our area. So thinking about taking a positive response from the people, we have also maximized this survey to the Nagar Sevak of the area. He also helped us to bring more and more oxygen cylinders for the patient. So from my opinion, it was a great idea, as we have contributed a less, but united we stand, divided we fall. So it was a great thing that we have conducted in our area, because it was very helpful, and there was a many blessings which been given by the people to us to conduct this survey.
Okay. Paras, you spoke better, but what happens, you know that the question is something different. You were here, you explained that means you conducted the team with you. But here's something different. The question is something different. Means you were one of the participant. The people came to you, the group of the people, not you were the part of them, and they asked your opinion. That is, what was the questionnaire survey was about. Okay, and
Yes,
you have been the participant here. And that is why, as a participant, you have to speak about. Otherwise, whatever you spoken, that was something the deviation. Question is
okay,
something, and answer is something. The next time you have to take care. You understood, no? Because you explained that you conducted, you have a team, and it was very people were really been suffering on you. But here that is not. Means some people came to you. It says completely. And you were asked to give your opinion. What was your opinion? Means you are an individual when you have to provide your answer. Next time, you
I
have
will
to
take care of it.
you understood, I think. Means whatever they're saying, you have to answer the same. Means if they're asking about the Japan, you don't have to speak about the China. Means you know a lot of things about the different topics, but the topic is today. How Ritika told, she got one of the questions, some girl that she wear unusual clothes. Okay, so if she's speaking usual, casual, so of course she's not going to get point. What the question asks, you have to say. Okay, dear friends, thank you very much. It was a nice feedback.